Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is the university website. You can check all the fee structure of all the courses. So this is the BSc B.Ed fee structure. Some students are asking about this. So when you will qualify the ITEP in the Central University of Kerala, then this is the first semester fee you must have to pay during the counseling time. So after this there are 7 semester. Approximately per year you have to pay 43,000 something. It is clearly visible. If you want a detailed video on it, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share with your friends.